origin of the company came about because of global warming. The solution is to stop the pollution. We started working on this in 2007. There's nothing in the world like it. That's what makes it so unique. The modus operandi of the company, we're saving lives and saving the environment. We specialize in making the media that does the job. The powder that will coat the face mask, the powder that will coat the air filters, the granules that will go into the water filters, everything where you need purity, that's what we are there for. We can make the purest hydrogen on Earth so that the hydrogen fuel cell, which has no moving parts, can last literally 100 years. If you remove the sulfur, remove the poison that ruins the catalyst that separates the hydrogens into protons and electrons. So long as you can separate the hydrogen, you can create a flow of electrical current and power an electric motor.
Sulfur is a huge concern for hydrogen fuel cells because it damages the catalysts, it degrades them and poisons them so they don't work as efficiently. So for example, in the hydrogen industry, we would just create ultra pure hydrogen for our clients, or in the water industry, we would create water filters that take pathogens out of the water passively so it doesn't need power like a UV light, or for air filters. Predominantly, we have some clients in the US, and a lot of the use right now is for agricultural reasons, for removing smells from farms. We're working with a company in Canada right now to clean water that's kind of around natural gas facilities to remove the sulfur out of the water. Hydrogen is huge, but really the more that we explore the water and air filtration, we find out that that's probably going to be the biggest market, especially with any future pandemics that are coming up or any areas that don't have access to clean drinking water. Currently, there isn't anything on the market that is comparable. There are some products, like let's say for sulfur, that remove sulfur down to 4 parts per billion, or we can remove it down to 0.2 parts per billion. With the face mask, we realized that with the anti-pathogenic qualities, we can kill the pathogens. The US government, they actually reached out to us because they were doing a patent search, and they've been looking for something anti-pathogenic that they could apply to a face mask. So we have coated a couple materials, and they worked very well because the sulfur magnet is like a Velcro when you look at it underneath a microscope, and it attaches very nicely to fabric. The sulfur magnet can be used underneath a variety of different circumstances. Temperature doesn't really affect it. We had used it at the exhaust of a diesel vehicle, and it was working up to 800 degrees. The sulfur magnet is extremely durable. It can last a long time. Any client that needs ultra pure hydrogen, gas, water is our potential client.
Our chemical composition is the ideal thing for killing pathogens. It's not water soluble, it's not flammable, it's not volatile. It's an antimicrobial that could last for years and kill all sorts of things like viruses and bacteria, funguses, and parasites that live in water. It has many, many talents. There's probably some we don't even know yet because as we go, we keep discovering new things about it.